Hey girly girls, and welcome back to Tailor Made Beauty Room. Now today's video is going to be a brand new bag unboxing, and it will also be a video sharing with you items that I've brought for my 1000 subscribers giveaway. So without further ado, let's roll right in. Okay, so first of all I'd like to start off with and say the reason I am still in my nightwear is because I had a very late night last night. I went to a friend's birthday party. I've recently got up, had some breakfast, and now I want to share with you some of the items that I've purchased specifically for this giveaway, for my 1000 subscribers giveaway. So I'm very excited about that. It's also kind of a little bit of a mini haul as well, because I did purchase some items to wear to basically go out. I brought some new shoes so that I could wear for my night out last night. So let's just start off with that. So the shoes that I actually purchased, which you'll have to forgive me because I did wear them last night, are these shoes here, and I purchased them from Tkmaxx. And I can't remember that. No, I didn't purchase them from Tkmaxx. I actually purchased these from Primark. I don't know if you can see the detailing on the leather, which I thought was so pretty. And these were these were 14 pounds. Well, actually I can't remember if these ones were 14 pounds or 16 pounds, because I got two pairs of slingbacks, one in black and one in gold, so they were either 14 pounds or 16 pounds, and it doesn't specify the color on the receipts. As you can see, there's cute little kitten heels, so let me just pop those down there, and then I will show you my other pair of shoes that I purchased from Tkmaxx, and these are the gold version of those shoes. There's a slightly different pattern or design on these, but as you can see, they're very pretty. So I just love them. As you can see, they've got a cute little kitten heel, and yes, like they're what I wore. Sorry, no, I wore the black ones yesterday, but I purchased these ones as well. Very pointy, very cute. So now let's get on to some of my giveaway items. So I've saved the best for last. This is the bag unboxing. I did actually purchase two of the bags that are in this plastic bag that I'm going to reveal to you in a minute. I brought one for the giveaway and one that I'm going to keep, but I've just left one in the bag because obviously I'm kind of a bit pushed for space. So the first item that I purchased from Tkmaxx for the giveaway was this gorgeous face glow set. As you can see, there's the price there. I just thought the packaging was really pretty. I've never actually heard of this brand before, Ellen Tracy. I'm not sure if it's any good, but either way, it'll look very nice and very pretty on your vanity if you're one of the lucky subscribers that win my giveaway. So that's giveaway item number one. By the way, I still need to purchase a few more things for my giveaway, so don't think that this is all that you will be getting. So the next item that I also purchased from Tkmaxx was this, also from the same brand, Ellen Tracy, and this is a lip gloss collection. Now I do have to say that these remind me of the, now who's got packaging like this? Oh goodness, I can't remember, but I have reviewed it before. I'll try and remember. If I remember, I'll put it up on the screen, but the packaging is very similar. But I just think it looks really cute. I love the muted beiges and browns and pinks, and I just think it looks really gorgeous. And actually, I think I may go back and get some more for my vanity because I just think they look so stunning. And then that's just the back, and there's the price there. So yeah, and you can obviously see what they're going to look like on the lip. I absolutely love this colour. I think that colour will really suit me, and I think this colour will suit me also. So yeah, I think I'm going to have to go back and get some of these for myself. So they're the first two items. Let me just slide that out of the way. The next item that I have also is these are like makeup removing cloths, and I just thought that the packaging was really cute, and I think that was the main reason why I purchased it. But I do think that the cloths inside are going to be really pretty cute, and that was only £3.99. So I put those there. I think also I'm going to give away, I don't know if you recall in my Valentine's video, I had some makeup pads. In fact, let me go and grab them so I can show you, because I am going to include those in the giveaway as well. So just bear with me a second. I'm also going to be giving these powder puffs as well. So I'll pop those in there. They're really cute. I don't know if there's a price on the back. Yes, these are also from Tkmaxx, and there's the price there at the bottom. So yeah, you'll also be getting that. I'm really spoiling you guys because you absolutely deserve it for helping me to get to over 1,000 subscribers. And the other item that I have got for you is these gorgeous lip glosses. Look at them. Would you take a look at that? I love the packaging. Just the design reminded me a little bit about the of the Megan Hess. I did a video recently that included quite a few of Megan Hess products, because I just love her illustrations in all of her books. But I mean, look at that. I mean, this isn't Megan Hess, I don't believe, but you know, it's similar style. But would you take a look at those lip glosses and those colours? Of course, I love these colours. So I brought everything that you see here, I've brought for myself as well, because I just thought they're so nice. And then I thought, wait a minute, if I love these, possibly my subscribers will love these too. So I thought I'd get those, and these were £5.99. Just look at the packaging. You almost don't want to actually take them out of the packaging. It's so pretty. But the products look really good, and these are my favourite colours to wear in the summer. So these are the items. Let me pop these back into the bag, because I'm going to keep all of my giveaway stuff together until I'm actually ready to give these items away to the lucky subscriber. And I'll give you more details of how you can win these items later, once I've actually got my gift bag ready. So let's move on to the pièce de résistance. Okay, so a little bit of a story time before I unbox this bag and show you what it is that I got. I told you a while ago that my daughter had seen a bag. She really loved it. But at the time, I just didn't want to pay the money for it, because I just brought my DKNY shoes and a few other things, and then we spotted this bag. And then I said, you know, maybe next month. Well, after that, I couldn't find the bag. For love nor money, I visited every Tkmaxx in my local area, and it just wasn't there. I went online, it wasn't on there. I went on eBay, managed to find this bag on eBay, but it was for a ridiculous amount of pounds. It was like they were reselling it for over £100, and I thought, absolutely not. So you can imagine my surprise when I went looking for giveaway items for you guys when I saw this bag that I wanted. So let's open this up. I did purchase 2 of these bags, of course. And this is my very, very first Juicy Couture bag. No, actually, it's my second one. It's my second Juicy Couture bag, because I did have to take the first one back because it was damaged. It had a fault on it, so I took it back. But this bag, I mean, come on, guys. Is she not stunning? Let me just show you the price there. That's how much she retails for. I'm going to try and bring this a little closer to the camera so you can see the detailing around the outlet. I don't know if you can see the branding there. I think it looks cute. It's got this pink leather piping all around the edge, and obviously the straps are leather too. There is the Juicy Couture logo there. I think that can be removed. There's also this really cute, look at, would you take a look at that? Isn't she just so cute? Honestly, I'm so pleased I got this bag. This bag reminds me very, very much of a Neverfull, although it's slightly smaller. Let's open up. There's even the detailing, the Juicy Couture on the zipper there. And as you can see, there's the Juicy Couture italic signature italic writing, which I think is cute. So that's the front part of the bag. As you can see, there's a huge slip pocket there, which you can close there. There's a closer there. Let me close that. And then to the rear of the bag, let me turn it around. It's this gorgeous creamy beigey kind of colour, mainly cream, and it's the same on the other side. A huge space at the back, so you know you could just slip things that you need easy access to, like your phone or your mirror or something. And then you have the security of the zipper there in the middle, so I'm going to open that up for you. And inside there's obviously the stuffing to fill out the bag. But what I'm really happy about, let me just move that out of the way. I mean, look at even the paperwork inside says Juicy Couture in it. So cute. And that paper was to protect this. You also get like this little bag. As you can see, it's attached to inside. I don't know if you can see that. It's actually attached inside the bag. And I just think this is so cute because you could use this as a little purse if you wanted to, which is safely attached inside your bag. And oh my goodness, there's another couple of pockets in there. So wait a minute, before I show you that, let me show you this. So this little purse here is attached to this, and as you can see, there's another little slip pocket there, and then straight facing it, there's yet another little pocket there just behind this logo, and yet another zip pocket there. So you have so many options to put items. It's unbelievable. But let me just focus a little bit on this. So this, as I said, you could put some loose change there if you wanted to, but me personally, what I'd be using this for is like a little makeup bag. So if you take like a little lip gloss, lip balm, whatever it is that you want, you can just pop them into this. And I think that is so cute. Really cute. So yeah, so basically some very lucky subscriber is going to be winning this bag. And I, you know, as soon as I realized I was going to buy this for a subscriber, I thought I need to get myself one as well because it's just so cute. So yeah, so good luck with that. Like I said, details will be forthcoming, so please make sure you keep an eye on my community page. And yeah, somebody's going to win this bag, and I you know, I'm so excited. Once again, I have to thank my subscribers again. I'm at 1,300 and something. I can't remember how much, but I'm just so happy to be where I am. So thank you so much for continuing on with this journey with me. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell, obviously, because the more you do this, the more giveaways I can actually give, because I really do enjoy doing the giveaways. So yeah, that's it. So that's basically it for this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, you know exactly what to do. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. But for now, ta-ta for now.